Who is eligible for Ally Bank? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting at your desk, staring at your bank account. You're thinking to yourself, is there a better way to manage my money? Hook. That's where Ally Bank comes in. Have you ever heard of them? Maybe you've seen their commercials, or maybe a friend has mentioned them. But have you ever wondered who is actually eligible for Ally Bank? Building context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk a little bit about what Ally Bank is. It's an online bank, which means you don't have to visit a physical branch to do your banking. This can be a huge advantage for people who are always on the go or who simply prefer the convenience of online banking. Main content. Now, let's get to the question at hand. Who is eligible for Ally Bank? Eligibility criteria. U.S. residency. Ally Bank is primarily focused on serving customers within the United States. So, if you're not a U.S. resident, unfortunately, you won't be able to open an account with them. Age requirement. There's usually a minimum age requirement to open a bank account. While this can vary slightly depending on the specific account type, you'll generally need to be at least 18 years old to open an Ally Bank account. Valid identification. To verify your identity, you'll need to provide valid identification documents, such as a driver's license or passport. Account types. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, you can start exploring the different account types that Ally Bank offers. These may include savings accounts, great for saving money for a specific goal, like a down payment on a house or a vacation. Checking accounts, perfect for everyday transactions like paying bills and making purchases. Money market accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, but often come with some restrictions on withdrawals. Certificate of deposits, CDs, a fixed-term investment that can provide a higher interest rate than a savings account. Additional considerations. Minimum deposit requirements. Some accounts may have minimum deposit requirements to open or maintain the account. Fees. While Ally Bank is known for its low fees, there may be certain fees associated with certain account types or transactions. Online-only banking. Remember, Ally Bank is an online-only bank. If you prefer to do your banking in person, you may want to consider a traditional bank. Benefits of Ally Bank. High interest rates. Ally Bank is often known for offering competitive interest rates on its savings and money market accounts. No monthly fees. Many Ally Bank accounts don't have monthly maintenance fees, which can save you money over time. 24/7 online access. You can access your account and manage your finances anytime, anywhere. Excellent customer service. Ally Bank has a reputation for providing good customer service. Conclusion. So, is Ally Bank right for you? If you're a U.S. resident over the age of 18 and looking for a convenient and potentially high-yield banking option, Ally Bank could be a great choice. Call to action. Ready to see if Ally Bank is the right fit for you? Visit their website or give them a call to learn more and open an account. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.